Hey guys, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix can't allow access to camera, microphone, photos, etc. on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open the Settings app and then scroll down until you reach Privacy. Click on Privacy and select, for example, Camera, and make sure to allow the camera access on the app you want, for example, Snapchat. Moving on to the microphone, you can click on microphone and do the same thing. For example, again, Snapchat. Turn it on. And lastly, for the photos, you can click on photos and then scroll down until you reach the app. For example, TikTok. Click on TikTok and then you may opt to select selected photos, all photos, or none if you want to disable it. After doing the steps I have given to you, your problems should now be fixed. If not, please contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.